What's Sam going to do?
What's he gonna do?
I'm going through this gap and I'm going at the bell.
Will he be safe? Will he be safe and pitch it out, or will he try smack it through 800 trees? Sam's got driver in hand, sweeping left hole. Be good for Sam's shot shape. Not that far left. Might be. Don't know how much it opens up over there, but he smacked it left.
Mr. Daniel.
In the opposite of you, smacked it right into the right tree. Where are we clipping from?
Guys, just kill someone. Wait, wait!
I'm Freewood!
Why ain't Freewood?
I'm just gonna dink it down. Little wedge on. If you haven't noticed, I don't feel very comfortable. This big bastard in on top. Didn't expect it to be cool. Check if it's on. Yeah. I don't think it is, but it could be. We found a ball in the woods.
Well made, yeah.
It's Sam's. As you can see, he's got a lot of trees in front of him.
What's Sam going to do?
What's he gonna do?
I'm going through this gap and I'm going at the bell.
Will he be safe? Will he be safe and pitch it out, or will he try smack it through 800 trees? He got out! Can't complain at that. I think that's the first time you've ever chipped out of trees and not hit one. Sam's got a smile on his face after that.
Brain's gone. You can extend it again now. I think I've got to go left. Why is that pheasant doing that? Look at that.
If you could hear, that was Jurassic Park episode 2. I hit your shot. Just because it stopped raining don't mean that my nipples aren't going to fall off. Alright. Got a putt for par.
What? The chipping's been alright today. You're on.
I'm out though.
You're on.
We're on.
Dan's put for a bogey. Yeah?
Yeah.
Watch him get this in. I too put. So, it's going in. Oh, break. Oh.
Oh, wind that stopped that.
Yeah, wind. My wind.
You don't have wind, you have hail.
I have sharks.
Take those!
So you got a double?
Yeah, 6.
I've got 3 foot from here.
You heard it from Sam, he's going to 3 foot put from there.
No, I haven't.
Are you still using your poo ball?
Serving me well. Good drive. Good chip out.
Good drive.
Oh, yeah, good drive. I meant to do it. I knew the hole bent left. Oh, 3 putt.
We've got memories of this type of putt from Willow Valley, where Sam could have made it so he didn't lose, but he missed a 3-footer. Oh, look at him sucking on his thumb. He's going to blame it on his thumb if he misses. Oh,
No doubt.
What a boring boy. He wants that fudge.
Right, all 8, 143 yards. Par 3, bunker right, trees left. Oh, misses in the middle.
Is that a miss?
Oh, that looks on it. Be the club. Oh,
I think it might just be front edge.
No,
It might just be off a little bit.
I think that's been that minute.
It might be, I don't know. I didn't hit it very clean. Again.
I just
Not been hitting very good shots this round.
just manners then.
What?
I just do that for.
Do what? Huh.
It's gonna come out.
You might have to put that filter back on in a minute. Bounce off and go in the hole.
Saw it land.
What?
Saw it land.
I didn't. Here's the beauty. Just been on Pimp My Ride.
This ball's slowly gonna get clean ball soon.
Sam's just landed a bit long and left. Decent shot though. Not the worst result. Just in shade. Bit of a weird putt there.
Bit off the green. Nice shot though.
Oh, pussy that. I read that it was going to break that way and I looked at it, I was like, maybe it'll just straighten
Have you
out.
spun back?
Looks like it, doesn't it? It's like I've just gone.
Yeah. More. 2 putts from there then.
What?
2 putts from there.
Yeah. What you really mean is you're going to get it in this putt.
What?
I said what you really mean is you're going to get it in this putt. Come on, we haven't had a good putt in a while. Well, this round anyway.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit of fun. I tried to pull off, but it's been fun.
No fudge for Sam. Yeah, a little bit.
Go on. Yeah, that. And then bump it up. There you go. Ready?
Yeah. Just got to clear that valley. Sam's upset that he lost his poo ball.
Because I did a poo shot.
I'm hitting my ball off a Lewis. Actually, no, I'm not. That's tiny. I'll leave it there though. variation of him.
Whee!
Why's wind just got up about 8 million miles an hour?
Stop!
Wind blowing it.
Oh, looks like we're dropping.
I like down at bottom. Mission impossible. Down there.
Oh, down here. It's gonna look so funny in the recess sign. And then Dan's trying his new swing.
Well, not exactly a new swing.
Perfect. Look fairway.
Should be alright.
Wait here, I'm gonna go.
Still wasn't hit super quick.
Look.
A quick look. Sam really wants this fudge.
I really want that.
Is that nice and cold on your belly? What were you using, Sam? Hybrid. Sam's using an hybrid.
I hope I don't snap hook it into those guys' heads.
Did you see it drop? What are you doing? Dropping it over back?
Not worth it. Not worth it. 52 here. Challenge. It'll be fun. That fudge is going to be all bloody though, isn't it?
Oh yeah, big dirty boy. Watch it, don't worry about it.
You wash it for me when I win.
Yeah, with me knob. That sounded nice. Just a bit short left.
Spinach. I don't get in that bunker because that bunker looks dirty.
I'm gonna try it again, bit higher, bit of a higher swing path.
It worked for you last time.
Yeah, it worked alright. Might be a bit long.
Right, span back.
That feels nice, that does. I'm using the towel.
There we go now.
Sure.
No, go there.
That wind just went.
Jesus Christ, I'm gonna pull it.
Well, you can do it, it's not that bad.
Like hybrid put it. Oh, come on.
You're gonna have a lot of swearing out to bleep out. Yep. Sam's hybrid put in it. Looks alright. Just a bit too far right. Oh, good pace. Good pace. Two up, Sam says, but he's not counting rest at holes.
No, I've won some holes.
Get in.
Oh.
Oh! Pitch mark.
Oh, that's
Stop. I didn't know how to read that because it was all like feeding up to the hole. Weirdly. We get those in.
yeah.
No double bogeys for me.